Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening WhatsApp and getting directly into chat display controls. Once done, tap More Options or Settings depending on your device. This moves you from general use to the interface controls that matter. Make sure WhatsApp is updated so font size appears. Then enter Chats or Display Settings. This is where you will change text scale. You do this now to avoid extra steps and make the text larger immediately for all conversations. Next, you change the actual value. On Android, choose Small, Medium, or Large and watch the preview. On iPhone, use the text size slider in Accessibility or Display Settings. Once you adjust, go back to a chat and verify readability. Make sure message bubbles and timestamps still fit. If WhatsApp lacks a font control, switch to System Text Size via your phone's display settings. This affects every app and gives a consistent result across WhatsApp and other apps. Finally, confirm the change across multiple chats and media screens. You want larger text everywhere. If the size doesn't apply, restart the app or your phone to force the interface to reload. Make sure to reset to default if layout breaks or messages truncate, then try a smaller increment. If nothing works, enable accessibility zoom or magnification as a temporary fix so you can pinch or double tap to enlarge text without changing global font settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.